How to change Spotify email. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the ways on how to change your email on Spotify. So without further ado, let's get started. To change your Spotify email is you need to use any browser you like. I'll use Chrome for this. I'll open the Chrome app and type in accounts.spotify.com. Once you're here, you need to log in your account. Next, you will get here and choose the account overview. Scroll down and you can see the edit profile button. Just click it. Here you can now change your email address into your new one. But if you can find this option, I have another way. You can tap the three tabs in the top right corner of the screen. Click Support and search for Change Email. You can see the first option, and there you go. And that's how to change your Spotify email. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon on the next video.